Welcome to EFIX Professionals Network PLC. Let me quickly run you through the steps for professional membership registration. Go to your browser and type in the website www.fics.com.ng. Click on Become a Member, then click on Professional and click on Register Now. Select your aggregator code from the list of displayed aggregators, or click on I do not have an aggregator if you do not have one. A dialog box will be displayed and you type in ON, and then you can pick the displayed aggregator in front of you. Then you now click on Continue. After that, you enter your BVN, your surname, and your date of birth correctly. Please re-verify this data to ensure that you have imputed the correct data. Please go ahead and click on Verify BVN. Check your details and enter other details like email, gender, state, local government, educational qualification, business location, ward, professional body, and other necessary fields required to be filled. Then go ahead and upload your professional body certificate and click on Proceed to Payment. Once you proceed to payment, select your desired payment option and then go ahead and make payment. You will get an email from EFIX Professionals Network PLC confirming successful registration. Having concluded your professional membership registration, let me quickly run you through the step for the dashboard activation. So go to your browser again, and of course, preferably Chrome. Type in the website, which is www.fics.com.ng. Click on Login at the top right corner of the page. Scroll down and click on Create Account if you have not created one yet. Once you proceed to do this, an email will be sent to your registered email address. It contains your OTP, which is also known as your one-time password. Please input the OTP sent to that email and click on Verify Account. Enter your email and password, and of course, go ahead and reconfirm your password. Click on Sign In, and then your dashboard opens. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out to us. Thank you and have a great day.